We have our tropical wave still hasn't developed. I just got the update moments ago, and it's still the same, a 70% chance next 2 days, 90% next 5 days. Conditions more favorable. It's still pretty sloppy right now, but could become a tropical depression, tropical storm here in the next few days. Well, the one that beat it to the punch here and got the name Dorian was 99L. That was way out into the Atlantic here, and it's a very small and compact storm, but it did become a tropical storm today with the circulation, and expected to strengthen gradually here going into the next several days, becoming a hurricane before it approaches the Lesser Antilles, or as it crosses the islands there and goes into the Caribbean. Maintains its strength, the Hurricane Center has it, as it moves closer to the big island here of Hispaniola. Dominican Republic, of course, on the east, and Haiti on the west. This is usually a hurricane destroyer with the high mountains and the mountainous terrain just kind of pulls the rug out from any storm system, even the biggest of hurricanes, let alone a really tiny one like this. So we'll have to see what happens. Of course, the track could be anywhere in this cone. That's what the cone's for. It could be all the way on the edge of this or all the way down to the south, which it'll have more of a fighting chance if it does that. Still too early to tell whether it's going to have any effect on South Florida, but this is one that we'll keep an eye on here for you. The spaghetti models here, models pretty tightly clustered for the next several days, so it's not really the track that's in question. It's the strength that's more in question here as it moves into the Caribbean, because some of the models don't even have it becoming a hurricane at all or even holding together. So something to keep an eye on, some uncertainty. Again, not with the track, but with the strength. This one here, yeah, we still have that 90% chance here over the next 5 days as it moves up. Big difference in models too on the strength of this one, but they generally spin it up to either a tropical storm. Some even spin it up, like the European model, into a big hurricane out there, but doesn't bother any land. And spaghetti models here do put it up towards, possibly up into Nova Scotia or Newfoundland there in Canada. All right, here's a big look at it here in the center. It's even hard to pick out where, but it's somewhere up in this region here. So not really well defined quite yet. Not there yet, but maybe tomorrow. For us here, we did have the rain around, and now it's gone. A couple little spotty showers. That's what we'll see overnight. Here's where it rained today. Notice lacking on the Treasure Coast, not a whole lot. And the big bullseye here of almost 4 inches in the Gardens in Jupiter and Juneau, western parts, and then about 2 inches in Boynton. We did have that flood warning earlier from all that rain that came down, very short period of time, and then that was lifted after everything had a chance to drain. Mid-80s right now, partly cloudy skies, probably going to have a nice sunset once again. Tomorrow, looks like a lot of sunshine in the morning. I think it'll be a nice day, and I think we're only going to see isolated showers and storms, maybe scattered at most. So I've actually brought down those rain chances tomorrow with only some of us getting the rain, and some of us will just see plenty of sunshine. It looks like Treasure Coast, you'll be the one seeing more sunshine tomorrow. The sea breeze does form, but really only activates down in the South County with a few showers and storms there. Heavy rainfall still a threat. And then just like that, gone. So coverage, not all that big for tomorrow. So I've dropped those rain chances. We bring them back up for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, though, because we have a light offshore flow, and that always brings big storms our way. And we see that mainly confined to the afternoon hours. Boating forecast, a few storms for you. Beach looks good, too, at least in the morning and the first part of the afternoon. High temperatures in the low 90s. Now that we're going to see more sunshine, it's going to be hot and humid and more of an offshore flow through the middle of the week. We'll tone it down a little bit by Friday.